Okay, so here we have a late flowering clematis, also sometimes called group 3 clematis. And the trick with these is to prune them very hard. They flower on this year's growth. So if I left this, it would put on loads more growth, trail along the floor, and you'd never see the flowers. It'd be hidden amongst the foliage. If you have it growing against a trellis or a wall and you don't prune it hard, those flowers will be way up high, you won't see them. So we need to be pretty brutal. Don't be scared. We're going to cut them hard. You can see actually that there's already some buds forming on this, but don't let that put you off. We're still going to chop them all off. So we're going to go quite hard down to the base, and there's some good stems. So let's get stuck in. First of all, I'm going to just take off some of this dead material so we can see what we're doing. So now we can see a bit better the form of the plant. We're going to go down to the bottom here, and you can see here these are the new shoots ready to go for this year, and we want to cut just above those. So let's go in, chop that off. I know this feels a bit brutal, doesn't it? But if you don't do this, you'll end up with a really leggy plant. This way, you'll actually be able to see the flowers. This one here, and then there's one here trailing on the ground. There we go. So you can see we've really cut it back almost to nothing, and it does feel a bit weird to do that to a plant, but it's going to put on loads of growth this year, and that growth will have the flowering material on it. So it's going to flower late summer, give you a profusion into autumn, and it'll be lovely at eye level, and it's going to look great.